What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about a drone company that is going to be up and coming. There's no question. They are entering into a sector within the drone department that really hasn't been touched on, and I haven't heard a lot of companies entering that. And that's going to be service and maintenance. And this company is building a name for themselves. They do have a lot of networks. That network is very, very deep, and it's with some big time companies. So I'm excited to bring you guys this information on RoboticSkies. So if you're interested in this, because this company is going to be huge and it's going to be very important moving forward when drones start to be in everyday lives. So if you're interested in this, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before we really start to break down RoboticSkies, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go! You guys know exactly how I feel about the drone sector. You guys know exactly how I envision the drone sector starting to take place as it evolves and becomes an everyday norm. It's an evolving thing. They're going to have their hands in a lot of different avenues when it comes to deliveries, whether you're talking package delivery, whether you're talking pharmaceuticals, medicines, food, surveying, doing security. There's a ton of different things that these drones are going to provide as a service to a lot of different companies, to a lot of different sectors, and it's going to be absolutely amazing to see. When we're talking about all that and all these companies providing the drones, someone is going to have to work on these drones. Someone's going to have to be able to maintenance and service them when they go down, be able to fix them, supply the parts, do things like that. Well, this company that I've mentioned in the open is RoboticSkies, and that is what they do, and they do have a deep network. I'm excited to bring you guys the information on this company. I'm excited to see this company continue to grow and continue to expand with the sector as a whole. So here we go. Serving an emerging aviation market, high-end UAS manufacturers and enterprise operators are eager for commercial operations to rapidly expand. Aren't we all? We believe that our service center network model will accelerate the commercial UAS market by providing high-quality maintenance and repair services adapted from the existing manned aviation infrastructure. Our comprehensive turnkey field service programs provide scalable local maintenance solutions that keep UAS operations safe and productive. And I think that's a major piece, safe and productive. Founded in 2014, RoboticSkies has 200 and growing, which is an absolute amazing thing to hear. Independently owned and operated certified repair stations in its network spanning in more than 40 countries. That's even more of an amazing thing right there, is that they're within 40 countries. That's an international company. You love to hear that. You really do. So what I'm going to continue to do is provide more information that starts to break this thing really even down deeper to understand what this company does. So it says your UAS maintenance connection. RoboticSkies is essential for any drone delivery autonomous system or commercial fleet operator needing cost-effective and reliable field service support. We partner with a variety of OEMs to develop standardized maintenance programs based on traditional aviation methodology and designed to meet the unique needs of unmanned aircraft systems. The repair stations in our service center network are OEM certified to maintain your unmanned aircraft in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions and recommendations. So to think about all the things that are going to be, required to work on, there's a lot of different drone options. They're not all the same. And this company is going to be able to provide a service in all of that. You love to hear it. You really do. What makes this company unique? And really, what is going to be the biggest headline for this? Well, we're going to provide that right now. Our global service center network, which I think is going to be the most important aspect of this entire thing. The RoboticSkies Service Center Network is comprised of more than 200, and like I said earlier, growing independently owned and operated aviation repair stations spanning more than 40 countries. Our hand-selected service centers already maintain aircraft in the business and general aviation markets under FAA Part 145 repair station certificates, or local equivalent, and provide a wealth of experience and capacity for handling a variety of aircraft within a highly regulated environment. Service centers are OEM certified through RoboticSkies to maintain your specific UAS, which I think is very, very important. Operators of large, high-value systems need local access to maintenance services with predictable quality and reliability. RoboticSkies offers a cost-effective solution that aims to keep your aircraft more productive. Local or even on-site service reduces the cost and risk of transporting aircraft for repair and accelerates return to service schedules. So think about that. The service is coming to you, and it's going to be able to be fixed upon site, and that's what's amazing to hear. Like they even stated right there at the end, you're not having the risk of taking your object, your item, your aerospace craft to whoever you need to take it to. The service is going to come to you, and that's going to be amazing to see. Aviation grade maintenance programs. The integration of commercial UAS into non-segregated aerospace requires regulation like manned aviation, which includes certified maintenance. We partner with a variety of OEMs to develop and manage standardized maintenance programs based on traditional aviation best practices to meet the unique needs of unmanned aircraft systems. And so all that information is going to be absolutely amazing. It's going to be a huge service to a lot of people, especially, when you start thinking about it, people who use Part 107 of the FAA are going to have their own drones a lot of the time. They're going to be using the drone in whatever manner they want to use it in, and they're going to need those things to get serviced on. They may not necessarily always be able to fix the issue, and so this is going to provide a service to the people that use that. You're also talking about the big companies that are going after, the big deal like the 135. If they're going after the 135, the beyond the visual line of sight, those companies are going to have probably a mass amount of drones, and things will go down, things will happen, and they will need fixed, and they will need maintenance. That's where a company like this is going to come in massively. And the opportunities are even endless with the maintenance, because who's to say that a massive company doesn't just hire a staff or hire, from this company to service them full time. The company is looking to expand upon its craft, and that is going to be maintenance and service. So we're going to swing over here and really kind of talk about the expansion in which they're looking to do. So here we go. Be part of aviation's future. Supporting the commercial unmanned aircraft system fleet is a huge job, and you already have the talent and equipment to succeed. Adding UAS maintenance provides an all-new revenue stream for your Part 145 shop and helps you grow. Want to explore this option further? Well, I'm going to tell you that. If you are looking for a new revenue and are willing to learn while serving an emerging industry, please take a look at RoboticSkies. We manage UAS maintenance and repairs for flight departments, companies, and manufacturers, and we work with Part 145 shops. We already partner with 200 repair stations in more than 40 countries, and businesses is taking off. You may be just the right shop to expand your worldwide network. No franchise fees, no equipment to buy, just new revenue. How it works? RoboticSkies finds the customers, negotiates the rates, and brings UAS customers to you. The customer pays us, and we pay you. RoboticSkies will train your technicians on specific maintenance procedures, airworthiness practices, and regulatory requirements as they develop, allowing you to capitalize on this emerging opportunity. The UAS fleet will boom in the next few years and represent stable, growing revenue for you and your facility. Your core aviation business can remain as is with no changes. RoboticSkies provides more opportunity and more revenue. And I think that's what's going to be unique. That's what's going to be amazing about this company, is you're not having to go out and do a whole bunch of new stuff. That, basically they're going to be the middleman, it sounds like, and that's what's going to be cool to see. That's going to be a quick growth opportunity for the likes of RoboticSkies too, is they're going to come out and they're going to train basically whoever to handle the unmanned aerial systems. And with that comes, basically a new form of revenue. They're not asking you to go out and purchase a bunch of new tools. They're not asking you to go out and purchase a bunch of new space and all those things. Basically, all they're asking you to do is learn the system, and then they're going to do it for you, basically. That's amazing. I would definitely keep this company on your radar. They're not publicly traded yet, but I think it's going to provide a massive service to the companies that we are invested in, like the likes of an Ag Eagle, like the likes of Aero Environment, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, all the ones that are involved with currently in the drone sector. And then obviously the many more that are going to be fastly approaching. Like a big one coming up, Alpine Ford Technologies. So this could be a service that is going to be provided to a lot of different drones and, a lot of companies. So keep this one on your watch list for sure. I do want to remind you, anything that I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only. And that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.